Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can record a voice memo on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From your home screen, swipe across and open up App Library. In the App Library, go down to the Utilities folder and tap on it. Now tap on Voice Memos. Now to start a new recording, tap on the record button at the bottom. There is only one button and there is only one recording mode. So as soon as you tap on the record button, it will start recording. And if you lock the screen, it will go into your lock screen mode. And this is what it looks like when it is recording on the lock screen. Now we can pause it, we can resume, or you can simply tap on the done button to finish. And that's it. So now I can unlock it, and in here I'll be able to replay my recording. And that is how you can record a voice memo on the iPhone 14 series. Now another way to do it is to pull down the control center, and in here you can see I have added a shortcut to the voice record. To do that, you can go into settings and then tap on Control Center, and then go down and add in a voice memos to the Control Center. So go down the list here and add it to the Control Center, and from the Control Center you can tap on that button to quickly open up voice recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.